In our previous lecture, we learned the two definitions, parallel lines and transversals. Today, we are going to learn a new concept, angle made by a transversals. Here, from the adjoining figure, X is the transversals of line Y and Z. The transversals intersect the line Y and Z into distinct point M and N, and at each of the intersection point there are four angles are formed. Which are they? At the intersection point M, the four angles are first AMQ, this is the first angle, and the second is QMN, the third is first, second, third is PMN, angle PMN, and the fourth is angle AMP. So these are the four angles formed at intersection point M. Another four angles, let me start from 5 number. MNS, angle MNS, angle SNB, that is angle number 6, 7, angle number RNB, angle RNB, and the 8 is angle MNR. So dear students, all these 8 angles are formed due to the 2 point of intersection M and N, and these 8 angles are grouped in a pair of angle. Let us see the pair of angle. The first pair of angle is corresponding angles. The first pair of angle is corresponding angles. The second is interior angle. The second pair is angle is interior angles. And the third is alternate angles. Alternate angles are two types. First is interior alternate angle, and the second is exterior alternate angle. Now we see briefly this pair of angles. Now students, we study the given pair of angle. That means first this pair is corresponding angle briefly. If the arms on the transversals of the given pair of angle is in the same direction, and another arms of this pair of angle is on the same side of the transversal, then the pair angle is called corresponding angles. Here I am writing the first pair of corresponding angles. First is AMQ, and his pair is MNS. So this corresponding, in this correspondings, the arms of the first arms of this pair of angle is on the same direction of, this is the first arm is AM, here AM, and the first arm of this angle is MN, on this same direction. Okay, so this is the first pair of, I writing Roman first number. Okay, here this is the first pair of, in which the arms of this pair angle is on the same direction, is in the same direction of the transversals, and another arm MQ and NS is in the same direction of the transversals. Then the pair of angle is called corresponding angles. Another pair, here I write the second pair. This is the first pair. The second pair is QMN, angle QMN, and its pair is SNB. SNB. This is the second pair. Now third pair of the corresponding angle is AMP, angle AMP, and its pair is MNR, angle MNR, and the fourth is PM. Here I write the symbolically. The second is I write denote like this, and third one is given star symbol, and fourth is given circle. Okay. The fourth pair is PMN, angle PMN, and its pair is RNB. So these are the pair of angles called corresponding angles. Now second group of pair of angle is interior angles. It can be defined as a pair of angle which are same side of the transverses, which are from the same sides of the transverses and inside the lines. That means the first pair of interior angle is angle PMN, and its pair is MNR. And the second pair is QMN, angle QMN, and its pair is MNS, angle MNS. So these are the pair of interior angles. Again, I define the interior angles. A pair of angle which are same side of the transversals and inside the lines are formed, then the angles are said to be interior angles. Now the third pair of angle is alternate angles. The angles, here I am writing the first interior pair angles, interior alternate angles. If the or a pair of angle which are the opposites, the direction of the angle is opposite to the transversal. That means angle PMN, and its alternate angle is pair is MNS. So this is the first interior alternate angle pair, and the second is QMN, and its pair is MNR. So this is the two interior alternate angle. Again, I state the definition of alternate angle. A pair of angle which are the opposite in the direction of transversals, and these arms and their arms is opposite direction of the given transversals, then the pair of angle is said to be alternate angles. These are the two interior pair of alternate angles, and the exterior pair of alternate angle is AMP, angle AMP, and this pair is SNB, and the second is AMQ, and its pair is RNB. So dear students, today we learn the pair of angle concept, corresponding angles, interior angles and alternate